I bet you can't guess how many times confidence is mentioned in the Bible. Well, I'm going to tell you how many, and I'm going to tell you why that matters. Confidence is mentioned, drumroll please, 60 times throughout the Bible. 60. Anything mentioned more than 25 times should open our eyes. More than 50, yeah, we should become very aware of. Not many words or phrases are mentioned more than confidence is in the Bible. 2,350 verses about money. So, is it any wonder that the number one reason for divorces, failed friendships, and stress is money? 365 times the phrase, do not be afraid, is spoken. Is that ironic? I think not. It's a daily reminder. And then we get to confidence. The main point I want to outline here is that confidence is not used in the same way throughout. The majority of it, the uses of confidence, pertain to trust in others, trust in circumstances, and trust in God. It's pretty interesting, right? We often think confidence has to do with only ourselves, but the Bible points directly to confidence correlating with the word trust. Confidence is trust, trust is confidence. One does not exist without the other. Confidence in God, example, Jeremiah 17:7. But blessed is the one who trusts in the Lord, whose confidence is in him. Confidence no matter the circumstance, Psalm 27:3. Though an army besiege me, my heart will not fear. Though war break out against me, even then I will be confident. Confidence through finding peace in your daily journey, Isaiah 32:17. The fruit of that righteousness will be peace. Its effect will be quietness and confidence forever. Gain confidence today, knowing that one of the most used words in the best selling book of all time, the Bible, is confidence. Just reflect on that. Confidence, 60 times throughout the Bible. Confidence in who God created you to be. Confidence in the plan He has for you. Confidence in God Himself. I think that's just a great piece to just know that confidence is mentioned so many times in the Bible, and that you can have the confidence that God has your steps already numbered for you.